We are finally here. The zoo looks beautiful.
Yes, I feel happy to be here with you.
Let's stay together and enjoy this day.
Yes, let's make good memories with the kids.
Dad, I am so excited. I want to go inside
Yes,
now.
Max.
Yes, Max.
Please stay close to inside.
I promise. I see many people. The zoo is big.
Yes, Anna, the zoo is very big and fun.
I want to see animals with you.
Yes, hold my hand and stay with me.
Max, look at this zoo map.
Yes, we will go step by step.
Wow, there are many animals here.
Okay, Dad, I will follow you.
Anna, do you want to walk slowly?
Yes, Mom, I want to look around.
That is good. Stay close to me.
Yes, Mom, I am holding your hand.
Anna, listen. I can hear animal sounds.
Yes, Max, I feel excited too.
The zoo is very interesting.
Yes, I want to see everything.
Look, the lion area is here.
Yes, I can see the lions behind the glass.
The lions look strong and big.
Yes, but we are safe here.
I can see elephants far away.
Yes, Anna, elephants are very large animals.
They look calm and nice.
Yes, they are peaceful animals.
This zoo path is very clean and nice.
Yes, and the weather is also good today.
I feel happy walking with you.
Me too. This is a good family day.
Mom, I am hungry. Can I eat something?
Yes, Max, I bought snacks for you.
Thank you, Mom. I feel happy now.
You are welcome. Eat slowly, okay?
Dad, my legs feel tired.
It is okay, Anna. Let's sit on this bench.
Thank you, Dad. I feel better.
Good. We can rest for a little time.
Anna, look! The monkeys are jumping!
Wow.
They are so funny! I like monkeys. They move fast.
Max, where do you want to go next?
Dad, I want to see giraffes.
Okay, let's follow this sign.
Yes! Let's go now! I see a penguin sign.
Yes, Anna, we will see penguins soon.
I love penguins. They look cute.
Yes, they are very cute and funny.
Look at the penguins swimming in the water.
Yes, they are moving very fast.
This place looks beautiful.
Yes, I really enjoy this moment.
Anna, the penguins are diving. Wow! They swim like little rockets. This is my favorite animal area. Yes, I feel very happy here. Mom, the giraffes are eating leaves. Yes, Anna. They eat slowly and calmly.
They look gentle and sweet.
The giraffes were very nice.
Yes, they were calm and beautiful.
Let's keep walking to the next area.
Okay, I am enjoying this day.
Dad, I see zebras.
Yes, Max, let's go closer.
They look like horses with stripes.
Yes, that is why zebras are special.
Mom, the zebras are pretty.
Yes, Anna, their stripes are beautiful.
They look gentle.
Yes, they are calm animals.
Max, stay close to me.
Okay, Dad. I will.
The zoo is crowded today.
Yes, I will be careful.
Anna, are you okay?
Yes, Mom. I feel good.
Tell me if you feel tired.
Okay, Mom. I will. Dad, I want to run.
No, Max, walk slowly.
Okay, Dad. I will walk.
Good. Stay with me.
Mom, I see colorful birds.
Yes, Anna, they are very pretty.
They sing nicely.
Yes, their sounds are soft and sweet. This zoo is very nice.
Yes, it feels calm and safe.
Yeah.
I like seeing you smile.
Thank you. I feel better today.
Dad, what is over there?
Max, do not go alone.
Okay, Dad. I will stay. Mom, I feel
Okay, Anna, here is water.
Thank you, Mom.
You are welcome. Drink slowly.
Max, we will go to the next animal area.
Okay, Dad. What will we see?
We will see more animals soon.
Yes, I am excited.
Anna, stay close to me.
Yes, Mom, I will.
Do not let go of my hand.
Okay, Mom, I will hold it. Dad, is this the reptile house?
Yes, Max, we can go inside.
I feel a little scared.
It is okay. We will go slowly.
Mom, will we see snakes?
Yes, Anna, we might see snakes.
I feel nervous.
It is okay. I am with you.
Max, we are safe here.
Okay, Dad.
We will only look from behind glass.
Yes, Dad, I understand.
Anna, you are doing great.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you want to leave if you feel scared?
No, Mom, I want to try. Dad, I feel brave now.
Good job, Max.
The reptiles are interesting.
Yes, they are very different animals.
Mom, I was not too scared.
Yes, Anna, you were brave.
I feel proud.
I am proud of you too.
Do you want to take a small break?
Yes, that is a good idea.
We have walked a lot.
Yes, my legs feel tired.
Thank you for staying close to me.
Of course. I am always here.
I feel calmer now.
Good. Let's rest for a moment. Are you ready to walk again?
Yes, I feel better now.
Good. Let's find the kids.
Yes, let's stay together.
Dad, can we see fish?
Yes, Max, we can go to the aquarium.
I want to see big fish.
Okay, let's go.
Mom, I like walking with you.
I like it too, Anna.
Today feels special.
Yes, we are together.
Dad, I miss Grandma.
I miss her too, Max.
I hope she gets better soon.
Yes, we all hope so.
Mom, I feel worried about Grandma.
I understand, Anna.
I want her to come home.
Me too. We love her very much.
Max, it is okay to feel sad,
Yes, Dad. I feel sad sometimes.
but we can still enjoy today.
Okay, I will try.
Anna, thank you for being strong.
I am trying, Mom.
You are doing very well.
Thank you. That helps me. Dad, we are here.
Yes, Max, this is the aquarium.
I feel so excited.
Let's go inside slowly.
Mom, it is dark in here.
Yes, Anna, but it is safe.
Okay, I will stay close.
Good. Stay with me.
Dad, the fish are so pretty.
Yes, Max, they are beautiful.
They move like dancing.
Yes, they swim very smoothly.
Anna, look at that big fish.
Wow, it is huge.
Yes, it looks strong but calm.
I like watching it.
Dad, is that a shark?
Yes, Max, that is a shark.
It looks scary.
Yes, but it is behind strong glass.
Mom, I am not too scared now.
Good job, Anna.
The fish are peaceful.
Yes. Watching them feels calm.
Dad, thank you for staying with me.
Of course, Max.
I feel safe with you.
I will always protect you.
Mom, thank you for holding my hand.
You are welcome, Anna.
I feel better now.
Good. I am happy.
How are the kids doing?
They are doing well. Oh,
That makes me happy.
me too. They are learning courage.
Dad, I feel tired now.
Yes, Max. We walked a lot.
Can we go home soon?
Yes, we will go soon.
Today was a good day.
Yes, Anna, it was.
I feel happy inside.
Me too. I feel calmer. Thank you for today.
Thank you too.
We made good memories.
Yes.
We needed this day.
Thank you for watching our zoo story. Yes, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you next time. Bye.